welcome to Chef Joey's Kitchen. I'm Chef Joey. Today we're gonna make Thai green curry with chicken. All right, so here's our list of ingredients. We're gonna be using the green curry paste by My Ploy. Now you can make your own green curry paste, but for easiness, we're gonna be using My Ploy green curry paste. Second item is coconut milk. You can get this anywhere. Just make sure you shake it up before you open it, okay? Third item, sugar, fish sauce. If you don't like fish sauce, you can substitute it with salt, basically for taste. And then for the umami flavor, we're gonna be adding some MSG. It's a good umami flavor. You don't have to use the MSG, but I like it. Mushrooms, green beans, make sure we clean them. The way we clean these, snap the ends off with the little tail. Snap that off and make sure you pull off that. Not edible. And we're gonna be cutting these to about 1 inch long. Onions, large dice. Same thing with the red bell pepper. We're gonna large dice these. Carrots. And about 1/3 of this is a really big head of cabbage. So we're gonna be using about 1/3 of this. And then last but not least, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, so these are the items we're going to be using for the green curry sauce. We're going to be using 2 cans of coconut milk. Next we have the 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we've got like a small teaspoon of MSG. Next we have 1 ounce fish sauce. Again, you can substitute salt if you'd like. And last but not least, we have 1 heaping tablespoon of green curry paste. We're going to mix that all in. Put it on the stove, set it on low until all the sugar's melted. Now you can make this ahead of time. You can set it in your fridge. It's amazing. Now the sauce is done and everything's already prepped. These are the items going in the pot. Okay, first thing we're going to put is the chicken. A little hot oil, just a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to add onions and mushrooms. Stir that for a little bit, and then we're gonna add the green beans and the carrots. Stir that for a little bit. Then we're gonna add the sauce that we made earlier, and then let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then at the last one, about 2-3 minutes before it's done, we're gonna be adding the cabbage and the red bell peppers. Okay, so let's grab the chicken. Got the pan nice and hot. What we want is we want a nice hard sear on the chicken. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. It's a nice brown color. It's called the caramelization. We're trying to brown the chicken. The reason why we're doing that is we want the chicken to stay nice and moist when it's cooked in the sauce. Caramelization right there. Want that on most of the sides. Next item, I'm going to be adding the onions and the mushrooms. Saute that up a little bit until the onions gets nice and soft. Next item we're adding is the green beans and the carrots. Stir it up a little bit with about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the sauce. All right, so after we stirred in the sauce, turn it down to medium heat. And then let it simmer, covered for about 5 to 10 minutes. So the next 2 items we're going to add is the cabbage and the red bell peppers. And that's a lot of cabbage, so we're just going to add just that amount. So now we're going to add the red bell peppers. Look at that color, amazing. Then we're going to cover it up for about 2-3 minutes. Alright, so I learned how to make this when I worked at a Thai restaurant, and then I made it for my mom in San Diego, and she loved it so much. She learned how to make it, and she made it for my sister, and my sister wanted to learn how to make it. Her name's Courtney, and she's like, hey Joey, why don't you do that as one of your episodes? So this one's for you, Courtney. Alright, so we're gonna give it a little taste. That green curry, it's the back of the throat. It tastes really good. Alright, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna serve this over rice. Get a little bit of everything right in there. The bell peppers, green beans, carrots, chicken, that wonderful sauce we made earlier. All right, the final product's done. We got the Thai green chicken curry over rice, and we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. And now for the taste. So good. You can taste the coconut, you can taste the herbiness of the green curry, chicken, all the vegetables. It's amazing. So try this recipe. My name is Chef Joey Jaraba from Chef Joey's Kitchen. See you next soon. More? So good. Makes the tummy happy. Oh yeah, that's good cake.